Okay, here we go. This is us trying to sit a 1944 Ford GPW engine onto our engine stand that we've made. It's one of 4 engines we've got in here. Hopefully it's going to fit. Ideally we want to fire this one up.
But it sees.
But it sees, but at least when we go on the stand we can have a fiddle with it, can't we? So, I'll show you some close-ups in a moment. But just for now we're going to try and get on the stand. And I'll show you some film of the other 3 engines we've got. Oh, okay. Whoa! I'll drag that stand in underneath. Okay. It hasn't run for about 30 years, I'd imagine.
Came from the Philippines.
From the Philippines, yes. Lovely. Lovely. What we're going to do is try and get it on here. Okay. Where's that going? That's okay. Nice books. Yeah, it does. It goes there. You want to go down again? Oh, okay.
Try and stop the camera.
Right, hang on, lads.